So friends, I am going to clean this little by little because before having this, you can say, the another newspaper for putting here, need to clean well all this stuff, and then these babies are very happy. So you have to do hygiene and all those things. Here you can see I have cleaned almost everything, so I will leave it for some time, and then I will put new newspaper, so that everything in the whole day they do, they do on the paper. I mean, when they do stool or pop-up, then they can do here on newspaper. But you can see I'm putting the newspaper there, fresh new newspaper, or so that they can have cleanliness well maintained. We have cleaned the inner part of this howla, and now we are going to clean this part of food. So this is the food they eat. This is the kind of elements, food elements they eat. You can see, my friends, this is the food I have refilled for today. Tomorrow I will change. So this food comes, you can say, with vitamins. Here you can see red, these particles red, and this is vitamin. And I have washed my hand already, so you can say I have taken proper care while I'm touching their food, so that they doesn't get infected. You can see these green particles and these red particles and some different particles. These are vitamins for them. You can see the water is inside, and here you can see in two parts. One part is this and another part is this. They have fresh food, and now I will put a spinach. So friends, here you can see, now I am going to put their water inside. It is RO water, mineral water. I'm placing here. Lovely people, you can see I have put little spinach for them, and we'll see. You can see both the things are inside. Now my babies will be very happy. So here are the 4 babies inside.